Hi, welcome to Texas, y'all.
Right in the heart of America, you'll find the charming city of Ennis, where rolling plains meet fields of vibrant bluebonnets, the Texas state flower. With more than 35 dedicated team members, they manufacture windshield washer tanks that help keep windshields crystal clear across North America. And with innovation and teamwork at our core, we're driving quality every step of the way. Welcome to DENSO Manufacturing in Ennis, Texas.
This facility was opened in 2006, and then in 2019 transitioned into DENSO Manufacturing.
Here at DENSO, this is what we make, and this is called your window washer tank.
Everything is bigger in Texas.
Texas is right in the middle of the map. We are able to easily ship to different customers through our surrounding areas. Do love the energy that we promote here at DENSO. Everybody works together. We're very tight-knit.
So everybody knows everyone. It's like a small family here.
We solve problems together here.
Don't mess with Texas.
This location itself promotes a lot of diversity and experiencing many cultures coming together. I think that's a beautiful thing.
We're more like family here, and we get along with each other and make sure we get the job done the right way the first time.
I appreciate the company giving me a job. You gotta make somebody feel comfortable and want to like the job, feeling like this, good people to work around.
And at the end of the day, you go home and feeling like you've done a good job for that day.
If you ever come around Dallas area, please stop at Ennis location and take a visit.
Don't worry about the mule, just load the wagon.